Get ready to dive into the future of driving with 15 electric cars that you can already own today. With everything from high-performance machines to more modest commuter options, these electric cars have something for everyone. In this particular video, we will cover what's new, what's fast, and other cool stuff about these electric cars that you shouldn't miss. Stick around till the end to find out which electric car might be perfect for you in 2026. Number 1. BOEM Scooter. The BOEM Scooter adds some futuristic flair to urban transport thanks to its premium design and minimalist appearance. Made specifically for easy and comfortable riding experiences, the BOEM Scooter is one such futuristic vehicle that will make your commute enjoyable. This scooter can move at speeds as high as 35 km per hour, and it also boasts a decent range of up to 50 km, thus making it ideal for use in cities. It is equipped with a feature known as Safe Steer, which ensures safe movement even on bumpy streets. Additionally, the robust aluminum unibody frame increases the durability of the scooter, whereas the 360-degree lighting system enhances the visibility of riders at night. Number 2. Peugeot Concept Car 6. Peugeot Concept Car 6 is a revolutionary creation that shows the way of the next generation luxury and advanced electric cars. Initially presented at the Auto China 2026 exhibition, the car impresses with its stylish and sporty design inspired by the best features of a luxury sedan and a shooting brake body. Aerodynamic shape and long hood are the key elements of the futuristic and luxurious design of the concept car, which is distinguished by 3-claw LED lighting. Each element of the design follows the Peugeot tradition of emotional French design. Besides its impressive look, the concept is considered a model for the development of future luxury EVs. Number 3. Nissan Terrano PHEV. The latest model by Nissan, called the Terrano PHEV, takes a completely different stance towards rough and tough electric vehicles thanks to its adventure-oriented appearance. Unveiled at the Beijing Auto Show in 2026, this SUV has boxy styling, muscular wheel arches, hefty body panels, and high ground clearance. The other distinctive features include the illuminated grille, ladder on the roof, and a spare tire mounted on the tailgate. It will have a PHEV powertrain with the same specifications as that of the Nissan Frontier Pro PHEV model. 1.5-litre turbo gasoline engine and dedicated hybrid transmission, giving a range of up to 135 km in electric-only mode. This model has been designed for China and possibly India markets. Number 4. Opel Rocks Electric Car. The Opel Rocks Electric is one of those smart electric vehicles that are suitable for urban transportation purposes only. It is quite a unique two-seat car that will be a good fit for busy city life with a combination of compactness and ecological characteristics. The car is not big. The length of the car reaches 2.41 meters, which makes it easy to park even perpendicular on small areas and turn in the circle of 7.2 meters. The power of the engine is 6 kilowatts together with a 5.5 kilowatt-hour battery capacity, providing maximum speed of 45 kilometers per hour and a range of 75 kilometers. The charging process takes about 4 hours through a home socket with an attached cable. Also, it boasts an unusual design with a glass roof. Number 5. Segway MUXI. The Segway MUXI is a robust and smart Class 2 electric bicycle designed for use in urban environments and heavy-duty cargo transportation. Equipped with a powerful 750-watt direct drive motor, the bike can achieve a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour and provide reliable performance. The 716 watt-hour capacity battery ensures a long distance of up to 80 miles. The MUXI has been made for convenience and utility purposes. Its carrying capacity is enormous, 418 pounds, including the ability to transport 121 pounds of cargo with the help of the rear rack. The hydraulic disc brake system and regenerative braking ensure safety and energy efficiency of the vehicle, while the 20-inch multi-surface tires increase stability on different surfaces. High-end technologies include hill start assist, hill descent control, traction control, GPS tracking, compatibility with Apple, Find My, airlock unlock system, and a vibrant TFT screen. Number 6. OneWheel Fastest E-Chair. The OneWheel Fastest E-Chair is one such custom electric ride that merges the speed of a OneWheel GT with the luxury of a low chair. Built by DIY and performance fans who create special versions known as One Chairs, these amazing rides boast an impressive top speed of 40 miles per hour and provide a mileage of 40 to 50 miles at the same time. Able to accommodate riders weighing up to 350 pounds, this amazing setup takes advantage of the self-balancing feature of the OneWheel to enable natural steering. The lower center of gravity makes the ride stable and thrilling to go fast. While many community versions have achieved more than 30 miles per hour, it comes as no surprise that this amazing ride starts at about $4,249. However, only expert riders should try it out since there is a risk involved due to the extreme speed. Number 7. INMOTION P6. The INMOTION P6 is a highly sophisticated, futuristic electric unicycle aimed at pushing the boundaries of personal mobility to the extreme. Created for those who really know how to ride, the INMOTION P6 sports a sophisticated high-voltage system that grants unparalleled power and torque, which greatly surpasses anything available in any electric ride. The maximum speed of the electric unicycle amounts to an amazing 50 km/h. Thus, it belongs to one of the fastest single-wheel mobility solutions known today. Despite its extreme performance parameters, it is also able to provide decent range of up to 150 kilometers at once. Besides impressive technical specifications, this vehicle boasts an array of intelligent features such as GPS tracking, app integration, etc. Number 8. Tesla Cybercab. Tesla's Cybercab is an innovative automated automobile that is set to revolutionize the mode of transport with its state-of-the-art self-driving ability. This is an all-inclusive two-seater automobile without a steering wheel or pedal. Inside, there is an integrated dashboard that controls all aspects of driving, comfort, and entertainment of the rider. Constructed in the Gigafactory Texas facility, the cab was created for use in Tesla's robo-taxi fleet. It is a sleek, intelligent vehicle that is poised to take autonomous travel to another level altogether. The Cybercab reflects the new world in which personal vehicles will become a thing of the past, with intelligent cars providing mobility services. Number 9. Piaggio MP3. The Piaggio MP3 is an innovative three-wheel urban mobility scooter that is built to offer both motorcycle-style maneuverability and automotive-style stability. This vehicle has two wheels at the front and one at the rear end and provides excellent stability, particularly in dense urban traffic. One of its most remarkable features is the ability of its front suspension to tilt without affecting the stability of the scooter. Therefore, it provides superior stability when making turns as well as driving through wet conditions. This motorcycle has several engine displacements, providing adequate power for city commuting and highway cruising. Safety is assured through ABS and a sophisticated braking system. It stands upright even when parked, ensuring rider comfort. Number 10. Manta5 SL3. Manta5 SL3 is an advanced hydrofoil e-bike intended to revolutionize the experience of traveling on the water surface by making it almost flying. The bike allows rising above the water due to carbon hydrofoils that create lifting force as the speed increases. Being equipped with the HydroPack electric system, it provides a silent and effective travel thanks to its durable batteries. The speed of the bike may vary between 20 km/h. The Manta5 SL3 is stable due to pedal-assisted balance technology. It was made specifically for lake and coast riding, offering a smooth and near-silent trip, as well as an impression of gliding above the water surface. Number 11. Smart Concept 2. Smart Concept 2 is a futuristic small electric city car that seeks to revolutionize urban mobility. Smart Concept 2 is based on Smart's electric compact architecture that was co-developed with Mercedes-Benz and Geely. It has a compact size of 2.79 meters, making it extremely compact. It boasts an impressive range of 300 kilometers according to WLTP standards, and has a fast charging time of less than 20 minutes for DC rapid charging from 10% to 80%. Its turning radius of 6.95 meters makes it incredibly agile in urban environments. In addition, it possesses vehicle-to-load capability, minimalistic sculpture aesthetics, and luxurious hidden design elements. Number 12. Yamaha TRICERA Proto. The Yamaha TRICERA Proto is a future-oriented three-wheel steering model developed by Yamaha in order to experiment with new dynamics of urban driving. The three-wheel steering technology allows for better performance due to the rear wheel being able to steer as well, ensuring great maneuverability and precision in steering. With a maximum speed of approximately 80 km per hour, the vehicle has a range of around 100 km. The design of the TRICERA Proto adheres to Yamaha's Kando concept, which is concerned with the interrelation between people and machines. Its open cockpit is equipped with a steering wheel, bucket seats, and paddle shifters for greater immersion. The TRICERA Proto utilizes the Alpha Live AD sound system that creates dynamic sounds depending on the movement of the driver. Number 13. Lexus LS Van Concept. The Lexus LS Van Concept is a luxury mobility concept designed by Lexus. The Lexus LS Van Concept is an innovative concept car that uses a six-wheel design with two wheels at the front of the vehicle, which steer the van, while there are four wheels at the back of the vehicle. It transforms the automobile into a luxury lounge with reclining and rotating seats, along with a huge entertainment screen of 48 inches. The interior of the automobile has a luxurious deck inspired from the yacht, and even has provision for the addition of a third row of seats to make it comfortable for a chauffeur drive. The outside of the van is equipped with a large windshield, angular body, and illumination of the Lexus brand name. The concept uses a battery electric vehicle platform. Number 14. Twike 5. The new generation of an ultralight performance vehicle that uses both electricity and a man-powered pedaling system is known as the Twike 5. The performance car gives out an output of 70 kilowatt or 100 horsepower, achieving a maximum speed of 190 kilometers per hour, which makes it significantly more powerful compared to its predecessor. Based on the battery capacity ranging between 18 kilowatt-hours and 36 kilowatt-hours, the car can travel a distance of 250 kilometers to 500 kilometers, while the pedal will give the vehicle an additional 15% distance cover. Using a revolutionary joystick-based steering system, it has a lightweight body ranging between 499 kilograms and 600 kilograms, giving out only 7 kilowatt-hour energy for 100 kilometers. Number 15. Glydways Personal Rapid Transit, Glydways. Personal Rapid Transit is an advanced transit system providing door-to-door services without drivers with the use of small electric cars known as glid cars. It delivers non-stop rides that avoid traffic jams in cities. It can carry as many as 10,000 people per hour in a 2-meter wide track, matching the capability of railway transport at lesser costs. It has been developed with the intention to be affordable, where the rates of rides will be similar to the rates for buses. The battery-operated cars will help in reducing pollution with minimum noise, thus enabling environmentally friendly transportation in cities. The AI-based coordination system will coordinate the trips and ensure safety and privacy of autonomous travel. Thanks for tuning in to our countdown list of 15 real-world electric cars that are available to purchase right now. From affordable EVs to luxury electric cars, these vehicles are the present, not just the future. What did you think of our countdown list? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.